All right. Good evening and welcome to semi-final two of Calm Your Wits Entertainment Edition. The first semi-final saw Neha and Jitendra qualifying into the finals, and we have four semi-finalists in Anand, Devarshi, Ketki, and Rati, who will be battling it out for the last two spots open. I will just reiterate that the same set of questions. It's going to be 20 questions. First 10 will go in alphabetical order, and the next 10 will be in reverse alphabetical order. As I had mentioned earlier, please, if you do get an opportunity, take a guess. It might turn out to be right, as was very evident in many of Neha's answers in the semi-final one. So with that, if you guys are all ready, if you can just show me a thumbs up, and then we can start. Awesome. All right. So on that note, we will be starting with question number one for Anand. Anand, question number one is this. This song titled Dash Dash, released on April 28th, 2014. It has 14 million views and counting. The organization that released this video is based out of Sirsa, Haryana, and is a social welfare and spiritual organization that preaches and practices humanitarianism and selfless services to others. P.S. The top comment to this video is by Prakhar Mishra. My grandfather was in coma for the last 5 years. I played the song in his room. He woke up, turned off the song, and went back to sleep. Which song is this?
First of all, quickly, if others are wondering why I keep showing up after losing, it's because they need me to sell the videos. It's for leverage. Uh, okay, focusing on the question. It is यार ये हरियाणा में बन रहे सारे बैंगर यार हम बस बाकी कंट्री बस बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे this has to be a meme song for it to be important enough to make it in. This is humanitarianism and selfless service to others. I have a guess, but let me just think of think for a little bit more.
Sure.
Yeah, no, I can't think of anything. Is this गाड़ी वाला है घर से कचरा निकाल? Like
No,
that.
it is not Gaadi Wala Aaya Ghar Se Kachra Nikal. Going to Devarshi.
Is it the love charger?
It is the Love Charger.
Oh, Sirsa, I know.
Plus,
Uh,
plus 10 to Devarshi. This is the Love Charger song. Awesome. All right. With that, moving to Ketki for question number two. So, Ketki, this is a 1983 film starring Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, Tina Munim, and Zeenat Aman. It's a film about freedom fighters trying to liberate Goa from the Portuguese. This movie fared below average at the box office. There's also another Anil Kapoor action thriller film by the same name which released in 2000. Identify the film.
अमिताभ बच्चन रणधीर कपूर मतलब देवों के पापा टीना मुनी जीनत अमान अनिल कपूर एक्शन थ्रिलर 2000 में हम अपन क्या कर रहे थे अब मैं फर्स्ट
कार्टून नेटवर्क हिंदी हो गया था तब.
नहीं नहीं मैं वही सोच रही हूँ लाइक मतलब बस ये कर रही हूँ कि मतलब मैं थर्ड फोर्थ में थी इज इट पुकार
Yes, it is Pukar. And I'm actually going to use the same slide. So this safety slide is actually the answer also. This is a still from the movie Pukar.
ओ वाओ
So yeah, you now you can understand how like I just ran out of questions and I
या
was like,
दिस इज
chalo
लाइक
safe. सेफ्टी स्लाइड से ही क्वेश्चन बनाता है. So yeah, plus 10 to Ketki. And next question to Rati. Rati, question number 3. This is an actor actress character and notes list of a particular TV series. Identify the TV series. TV show. So we have Alok Nath, Goga Kapoor, Sudhir Pandey, Kiran Juneja, Asha Sachdev, Dalip Tahil, Soni Razdan, Kanwaljit Singh, etc. You're on mute.
Is this Bunyad?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is Bunyad. Plus 10 to Rati. 1987, I think this TV series first started. Moving to Anand with question number 4. Anand, Zach Galifianakis is a popular actor seen in the following shows, movies. What have I blanked out?
It's a two-word title. No.
It is a 2-word title.
And it's a movie, I'm guessing. It's not a show. It's a single
Yes,
thing.
yes.
I should know.
So, Late World, Hangover Trilogy, Campaign, Birdman, Masterminds, and voice roles in the following movies. But which movie have I blanked out? Anand, any guesses?
And it has to be one of those. I know it's not it, but I have to take a guess. I'll say 21 Jump Street. I know this is Jonah Hill.
What is your final answer?
21 Jump Street. I know that was Jonah Hill, but I don't have a better guess right now.
Okay, it is not. Passing to Devarshi.
I think we have an answer in the chat box.
Yeah, we have an answer in the chat box.
Are Jitendra, what are you doing, man? Okay. All right. Okay. Face value, Devarshi, did you know this? Okay, wait, I'll actually just ask another question. The answer is basically due date. And I will have to use another one of my tiebreaker questions maybe at the end. I request everybody who are watching this video live right now, please, if you want to answer the questions, answer on the spectator group. And if you're not on it, please just message Aditya and he will send you the link for the same. So Anand, you get one more shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment. Okay, all right. So question number 5 again to Anand. Anand, Dash is a New York City-based British advertising, marketing, and public relations agency. In 1964, the firm became known as Dash after merging with the New York City agency that was founded in 1948. The agency is now part of the WPP Group, one of the largest advertising and public relations companies in the world. The company provides services in 6 areas: brand strategy, advertising, customer engagement and commerce, public relations and influence, digital transformation and partnerships. A recent advertisement, and partnerships. A recent advertisement, which is a gender reversal to its predecessor, became viral. So a recent advertisement by this company.
Gender reversal to its predecessor. No, why the gender reversal thing is sending on a different trip. I'm thinking of the enema of the state thing by Blink when it changed that. No, that won't take up much time. I'll just go with 21st Century Fox. That's it.
It is not 21st Century Fox, passing to Devarshi.
Is it Ernst and Young?
It is not Ernst and Young, passing to Ketki.
ओके मेरे को सच में लगा था कि ये दोनों पहले क्रैक कर लेंगे, तो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं इस बारे में. डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पार्टनर्स. Okay. I'll just say, is this Dairy Milk ad, Mondelez?
Yes, it is. But I want to know the advertising and marketing agency.
तो आधे पॉइंट्स देगा क्या?
I will give, I may give part points, depends on,
हाँ.
I may give, but do you have a guess?
I don't.
Okay, passing to Rati.
This is Ogilvy.
Yes, it is Ogilvy. Plus,
Ogilvy.
Ketki, I will have to give plus 10 to Rati for this. So plus 10 to Rati for Ogilvy. It used to be called Ogilvy and Mather, and now it's just called Ogilvy.
Ogilvy and Mathers.
And yep, that was actually the Cadbury ad, which was recently remade. So next question to Anand. Anand, if you're paying close attention, I played you need to be for the red herrings. I played a part in the film yesterday, which was answer to the 20th question of quarterfinal 3. I am a 1991 year born UK resident, and I'm considered to be a bestseller. I have been active since 2004, and Spotify has named me the second most streamed artist of the decade, 2010 to 2019, after Justin Bieber. Who am I?
I'm hoping the red herring thing is a pun because I think this is Justin Bieber. No, this is Ed Sheeran.
Yes, it is Ed Sheeran, and it's not really a pun, it's a direct reference. Now, I mentioned Ed Sheeran in the third quarterfinal. So
no, because he's a redhead, right?
Okay. Good one. Yes.
Giving you a clue.
Plus 10 to Anand. This is indeed Ed Sheeran. All right. Next question to Devarshi. Devarshi, Dash is a Swiss-British stop-motion clay animated children's comedy television series created by Olmer.
Can I just stop you right there?
Yep, you can.
It's Pingu.
Okay. And how did you get it so fast? Yeah, how did you get it so?
British.
Okay.
Because
All right.
I did now. So
Got it.
pay
Got it.
attention to details.
Awesome. Plus 10 to Devarshi. It is Pingu. So actually the last line had the biggest clue that nearly all dialogue is in invented Gramalot. So plus 10 to Devarshi. This is indeed Pingu the penguin. Next question to Ketki. Ketki, there is a 1996 film called Primal Fear, starring Richard Gere and Edward Norton, with Norton receiving an Oscar nomination for the Best Actor in a Supporting Role. Now, the entire premise of this Hollywood film was actually only the first half of this Anis Bazmi directed 2002 thriller film called Dash. The actor who recreated the role of Edward Norton ended up winning the Filmfare Best Villain Award in 2003. This film also had Farida Jalal, Seema Biswas, Suhasini Mule, Tiku Talsania, Urmila Matondkar, and Suresh Oberoi in pivotal roles.
Are these the only actors in that movie?
No, I have not added one more actor, otherwise it would have become too obvious.
Oh, वैसा वाला सीन है.
हाँ, मतलब whatever you need is actually right here.
More than that
Is it
is there actually.
Divangi?
Yes, it is Divangi plus 10 to Ketki. It is Divangi, and it's very funny. Like if you see Primal Fear, it's exactly first half of Divangi, and then second half is a completely different movie altogether. So plus 10 to Ketki. With that, we go to the next question to Rati. Rati, my name is Ramon Antonio Gerardo Estevez. I have 3 sons and 1 daughter with my wife Janet. You have seen me in Apocalypse Now, Gandhi, Catch Me If You Can, The Departed, etc. Fill in the blanks below one of my children who is known by another name.
What? Wait. My name is. Catch Me If You Can, The Departed.
Okay. So this guy has acted in those 3-4 films that I've mentioned. His actual name is Ramon Antonio Gerardo Estevez. He has one son, Carlos Estevez, who's known by another name. So what is that name?
This is not like does he have a different name, a popular name, and this is his real name?
This is his real name, is what I'm saying.
And this is the name that he goes by.
All I'm saying is this is his real name. He may or may not go with some other name.
Cryptic कर रहा है श्रीनाथ उसको.
अरे, I added that point.
अरे क्यों उसको confuse कर रहा है? See, the name in the bracket is what he goes with. You have to guess the name which is in that bracket.
No. एक second. Ramon Antonio Gerardo Estevez is this person in image. इसका real name. Okay. This person in the image may or may not also go by another name, but that Carlos Estevez definitely goes by another name. So that another Carlos Estevez ka another name is what I'm asking. Take a guess. Don't just pass.
Another name. This guy is also an actor?
Yeah.
According to
and the guy.
Yes, Anand. According to Anand, yes, he's an actor.
Yeah.
What does that mean? According to Anand, he's an actor.
I am trying
according
not.
to you, he's not.
I am trying to not give you hints, but Anand is like, चलो दे देते हैं यार, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
He's watching his answer. कि मैं fair quiz master. So Kirti will come to me, not him, if you get the right answer. He's very smart like that.
I don't know.
Any guesses?
I don't know. Some Douglas.
Okay, not some Douglas. Passing to Anand.
Oh wow, dude! I didn't realize this until now. This said it. Martin Sheen does look like yeah, apna Michael Douglas. He does look like. Oh lord,
Oh,
this is Charlie Sheen.
I
इसको edit कर इसको beep कर देना. My favorite four monger.
Yes,
This is
the person, the
I
Carlos
did not know
Estevez
this.
is also known as Charlie Sheen. All right, plus 10 to Anand. The next question is question number 10 on the screen, but actually
I
question number
learned
9.
something new today.
Yeah, but not really a very crazy person to know much about. Just saying.
True. With the tiger blood and all of that, yeah, I'm good.
Anyways,
Sorry.
next question is
Tiger
to
Blood was Emilio Estevez, no? Wasn't it?
No,
No,
this guy
no,
only,
no.
Charlie
This
Sheen.
dude only.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's the guy. He's the winning guy. This guy only.
Yeah.
he keeps winning.
I am by winning.
Yeah.
cool. Next question to Devarshi. Devarshi, born in 1946 in New York City, identify this personality. He's been a guest at the Howard Stern Show. He's a guest commentator on Fox and Friends, special appearance actor in a few films, co-producer and host of The Apprentice and The Celebrity Apprentice, and he's also a WWE Hall of Fame 2013 celebrity.
Is it Donald Trump?
It is Donald Trump, plus 10 to Devarshi. It is Donald Trump. All right. So I am going to go to question number 11, and I will then stop for halfway. So question number 11, or rather 10, comes to Ketki. Ketki, born as Jnana Desekan, X is an Indian film composer, conductor, arranger, and lyricist who works in the Indian film industry. Widely regarded as one of the greatest Indian musical composers, he is often credited for introducing Western music and sensibilities in the South Indian film musical mainstream. He has composed more than 7,000 songs, provided film scores for more than 1,000 movies, and performed in more than 20,000 concerts. He is known as Isai Gnani, musical genius, and is often referred to as Maestro, among others by the Royal Philharmonic Orchestra in London. Who is X?
Is this Ilaiyaraaja?
It is Ilaiyaraaja, plus 10 to Ketki. And at this point, we will just take a break and I will mention the score. So Anand and Rati are at 20 each, and Devarshi and Ketki are at 30 each. And now we will be reversing the order. So the next question will be going to Rati. Rati, the question is, published by Hachette India in 2021, My Life in Full is an autobiography of an individual who served on the boards of Amazon and Philips. She's also been part of an US conglomerate with far reaches into India. She's also an alumna of University of Madras, Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta, and Yale School of Management. She's consistently ranked as one of the most powerful women in the world. Who is she?
Is this Indira Nooyi?
It is Indra Nooyi, plus
Nooyi.
10 to Rati. It is Indra Nooyi. Next question is to Ketki. Ketki, an official remake of the 2002 Hong Kong film Infernal Affairs, Dash released in 2006, and it was a critical and commercial success and won several accolades, including 4 Oscars for Best Picture, Best Director, Best Adapted Screenplay, and Best Film Editing. It became Martin Scorsese's first and to date only win for Best Director, and Mark Wahlberg was also nominated for Best Supporting Actor.
The Departed?
Yes, it is The Departed, plus 10 to Ketki. Next question is for Devarshi. Devarshi, connect the individual to the following. Disco Pigs Batman Begins, The Wind That Shakes the Barley, Inception, and Peaky Blinders.
Dude, you forgot Jab We Met.
That's a hilarious meme. Holy fuck.
Is it Cillian Murphy?
It is Cillian Murphy plus
No.
10 to Devarshi. It is Cillian Murphy. Next question is to Anand. Anand, who am I? I am the only actor who has acted in all of the following films: Run, Omkara, Mithya, Shaurya, Ravan, Agnipath, The New Agnipath, Dabang 2, Fukre, Gunde, Masan, Dilwale, Newton, The Tashkent Files, and Extraction.
ये भी इतना बड़ा इतना वेरिड फिल्मोग्राफी है ना, एक्टर गेस करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. I think I have a face, but I have two names now. Dono I know from both Masan and Newton. Only one wasn't in Masan. Yeah.
Huh?
Is this Raghuveer Yadav?
It is not Raghuveer Yadav. Passing to Rati.
Mm, Dabang 2. Extraction, I only know Randeep Hooda, the Indian who was there. But I can't connect him to the rest of the films.
Okay. What is your answer? Final answer.
I'm gonna go with Randeep Hooda because that's the only thing I know from Extraction. Like he was there. I think.
Okay, Rati. Passing to Ketki. It's not Randeep Hooda.
Dude, I really thought Anand would get this. Is this Pankaj Tripathi?
Dude,
It is. It is
I
Pankaj
was this close to
Tripathi.
stabbing myself in the throat with this when she said it. Extraction had one Indian. I was like,
Yeah.
oh, damn, dude, I missed Pankaj
So
Tripathi.
okay, so Extraction में the बच्चे का gangster father in the jail is Pankaj Tripathi. So plus 10 to Ketki. Next question to Devarshi. Devarshi, I was born in Missouri in 1972. My mother having gone through a 73-hour labor. She and I would drift between Detroit in Michigan and Missouri during my formative years. My team and a local group formed a partnership starting a pop-up shop in 2017, which has made appearances at several music festival performances since then and has delivered food to frontline hospital workers and COVID vaccinators in Detroit during the coronavirus pandemic. On September 29th, 2021, a proper brick and mortar space called Dash Dash, consisting of a window to order and an upstairs merchandise and memorabilia called the Trailer, opened. The menu is very simple here, with 4 items priced at USD 9, 11, 12, and 14. Fill in the blank.
So is this a chef?
It is a proper brick and mortar space called dash dash. And I here is like something else. I'm just, you can like just take I as X or whatever. So I is, I'm just talking in first person here of as as if I am that person.
Is it Heston Blumenthal or whatever however it is pronounced? Heston? Is it Heston?
No, it is not
Heston
what
Blumenthal.
it is not whatever
Yeah.
you just mentioned. No, it's not that. Passing to Anand.
I'm guessing it's a famous person. If it's not, and you're just asking me this because it was in some music festival, I will really lose a little faith in you. Not in you, in the questions. That's worse. 72, early 40s. Detroit or Missouri, I'm guessing this is a black person. Late 40s black person.
Sorry, what's your guess?
No. I'm just
Okay.
thinking out loud.
Okay.
But 72 matlab it's late 40s and Missouri and Michigan is I'm guessing it's a black person. Black person in the late 40s. Wait, is this Eminem?
If this is Eminem, if I is Eminem, what would be the brick and mortar space called?
That's simple.
I want the blank. So if you feel it is Eminem, what is the blank then?
And can I extrapolate it from the that's simple.
Your voice is not a little clear.
So yeah. If this is Eminem, can I extrapolate the stall name? That's simple.
तेरा आवाज बहुत कम जा रहा है यार. मतलब
Bro, you're still a little inaudible.
Yeah. Am I audible now properly?
much better, much better.
Your phone is so if this is Eminem, can I extrapolate the name from that?
Can you
His name,
extrapolate the name from
the
that?
name?
So okay, if this is Eminem, it is something related to him or maybe his music or whatever. But if it is Eminem, it must be related to him in that sort of way.
Love how I said it has to be a black person and then I said Eminem. So damn good. I'm just going with the Shady Shack. I don't know.
Okay, not the Shady Shank. Going to Rati.
It's going to John Favreau, but I don't think so. He's from Missouri. An option. Any like what is the merchandise? Like it's his own merchandise. Or
Yes. So yeah. So
He's
there's an upstairs place for merchandise and memorabilia, and it's called the Trailer. Just like ground floor pe this brick and mortar space, and first floor pe merchandise and memorabilia.
Why would he call it the trailer? When I would get commissioned during a formative years, my team and the local group. So he's not, or he is not an artist, right? It's not like you're silent about that.
Yes.
He's not a musician. He's not like you're not telling us that. He could be anybody.
Okay, it is Eminem, and I will give part points to Anand for it.
Okay, then 8 Miles.
It's not 8 Mile passing to Ketki.
Mom's spaghetti.
Yes, and like I sang that song just before question number 5 for Anand, like one shot, one opportunity, and everything. And I
Yeah,
was
I had no idea about this question whatsoever until Anand said Eminem, and I saw this twinkle in Srinath's eyes. He's like, हाँ, आगे बोल.
okay.
इसका
So
points half कर रहा है. This is not.
plus 8 to and this is him on day 1 on 29th of September, like 2 weeks ago. He was at the counter giving off the menu, or rather the order. So plus 8 to Ketki and 2 points to Anand. And the next question is to Devarshi. Devarshi, identify this popular Indian personality. He's born on 10th of May 1988. He's an alumnus of RAIT College for a week, and then actually Vivekanand College in Chembur in IT. Alumnus of IMT Ghaziabad, management trainee in Mahindra Retail, first ever winner of a specific YouTube competition, currently an active yoga aficionado, and a Liverpool supporter in the EPL.
Rahul Subramanian.
It is Rahul
Oh
Subramaniam.
my God, Srinath, stop obsessing with our college.
Plus 10 to Devarshi. Awesome. Next question is to Anand. Anand, Detective Jake Peralta from Brooklyn Nine-Nine is a big fan of this Los Angeles building, which is actually called Fox Plaza in reality. It is, however, known popularly to Jake and us all as another building called X Plaza. This is because of the first of the Dash Dash films released in 1988 with Alan Rickman playing the villain Hans Gruber. This movie was a super success that earned about 140 million USD on a budget of 35 million USD.
Anand, 201 रुपया फोन पे करूंगी, प्लीज दे दे ये वाला.
I would have just messed this blatantly अगर थोड़ा भी कम hint होता. इसमें Alan Rickman लिखा है, उसने Hans Gruber लिखा है. The only thing left to write over there is it's not Die Soft. क्या हो सकता है बता मुझे. That's all that was left. It's Die Hard.
This is the Die Hard first film, Die Hard, and
Yeah,
this is
and it is Nakatomi Plaza. Fun fact, Jake के शादी में the cake was actually Nakatomi Plaza.
Nakatomi Plaza, yeah.
yes.
This was the one question I was hoping that he would pass. It was the last two. I was just like, don't pass this, don't pass this.
I'm hoping everybody will pass everything क्योंकि मुझे मेरे छोड़ के सबके आ रहे हैं यार. It's ridiculous. And the Cillian Murphy one would have sent that meme to Keith. We laughed about it.
Wow. Okay. Next question to
Go and
Rati.
see जब भी मैं एक बार.
Huh?
The resemblance is uncanny. Please go and see जब भी मैं एक बार वापस and think of Cillian Murphy.
अरे
From
नहीं
Batman
वो
Begins.
नहीं yeah देखा है yes.
Nuts. Uncanny.
अरे फिर हेरा फेरी के स्टार्टिंग में सुनील शेट्टी Sunil Shetty also looks like Jab We Met. Anyways, okay. On that note, next question to Rati. This is question number 19 or rather 18. So the following are the most non-obvious aspects about this person's life. Who is this person? He was born in 1974. His middle name is Prakash. His father was a lieutenant colonel in the Indian Army. His mother was a scientist in the Indian Agricultural Research Institute. He studied at the Army Public School, Zola Kuan, Delhi. His first job after post-graduation was at Peregrine Investment Holdings, and then he worked for Goldman Sachs and Deutsche Bank, all in Hong Kong. He is a popular motivational speaker, and he has written the script for the Bollywood film Kick in 2014.
नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए था इसको जॉब.
Someone wrote Kick is my takeaway from this.
That is the biggest joke in itself.
लेकिन props to him, उसने अच्छा लिखा होगा, भाई ने पढ़ा ही नहीं, भाई ने पढ़ दिया. It depends.
Only because I know only one Indian author who worked in Hong Kong. Is it Chetan Bhagat?
It is Chetan Bhagat.
Nice.
Wow, he wrote the script for Cake.
Surprise.
I'm not even surprised, dude. Like only this guy can pull something like that.
Wow.
Yes.
Unbelievable.
All right. Next one is to Ketki. Ketki, there is an occupation that originates from Egyptian, Chinese, Mediterranean, and Near Eastern cultures. Such professionals are also called moirologists. Mentioned in the Bible and other religious texts, the occupation is widely invoked and explored in literature from the Ugaritic epics of early centuries before Christ to modern poetry. Held in high esteem in some cultures and times, the practice was vilified in others, such as the Chinese Cultural Revolution. Females in this profession are called dash and were common in many parts of India, especially in the western Indian state of Rajasthan. The Blank is also the name of the Indian film nominated to the 1994 Oscars, directed by Kalpana Lajmi. I had hinted to this in the second quarterfinal, and the role was played by Rakhi Gulzar. Which movie is this?
Is this Rodali?
Yep, it is. It is Rudali, Professional Mourners.
For professional mourners, yeah.
Yep, plus 10 to Ketki there. All right, so last question, I will have to stop sharing and again go into tiebreakers. One moment, please. So I finished Ramoji and I finished Delhi 6. Okay.
कौन सा तूने फिनिश नहीं किया उसके आंसर्स बता ना.
All right.
Also,
This is
Srinath is like foreshadowing questions and shit. बहुत मेहनत किया इसके ऊपर.
1 second. This is okay. Coming to question number 20 for this round.
But who is the tiebreaker? Acha, okay, this second 20th question. Sorry.
Yeah, this is question number 20th because yeah, fourth or fifth question went away. So this question goes to Devarshi, and I hope it's yeah. All right. So Dash Nagarath was born in Gujranwala, Punjab of British India. He began music lessons at a young age and later attended Marist College, now called Bhatkande Music Institute in Lucknow, under the training of Pandit S.N. Ratanjankar. He became an accomplished sarod player under the guidance of Alauddin Khan, the renowned sarod player from Maihar. In 1940, Khwaja Khurshid Anwar, program producer, Music All India Radio Delhi, hired him as staff artist for Esra, a bowed sitar, the instrument he used to play. He gave up this job in 1948 to seek fame and fortune in Bombay. We know all five of us rather, and the audience members know two of his children and one of his grandchildren from Bollywood. So just fill in the blank, one name. Yeah.
Is the grandchild really big?
Is it his
Big,
what?
I mean, is the grandchild really famous?
All five of us and the audience know all two of his children and his grandchildren from Bollywood, definitely. So yes.
Is he that famous?
Yes.
It's a very wild guess. I will kick myself if I get this wrong. this from the Grand Shadow Plume. Is it Hrithik Roshan's granddad?
I will give you +10 for this. Yes, it was Roshan Lal Nagrat, and Hrithik Roshan's actual surname is actually Hrithik Roshan Nagrat. So this is a recent family photograph of them. But yeah, so Rakesh, Rajesh, and a couple of other siblings, and then Hrithik Roshan. So +10 to Devarshi there. Awesome. So this brings us to an end of the 20 questions. All right, I'll just do the final tally. All right, so with that, we have 2 clear finalists from semi-final 2 as well. So firstly, Anand ends up at 32 points. Rati ends up at 40 points. And our 2 finalists for Saturday, for next Saturday, is Devarshi at 60 points, and the person winning the semi-final today, Ketki, at 68 points. Awesome. So that brings us to the end of semi-final 2, and we will be having Neha, Jitendra, Devarshi, and Ketki in the finals next Saturday. And yep, all the best to the finalists. Thank you very much, Anand and Rati. Have a good evening ahead. Take care.